Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Finding the right cycling shorts can make all the difference on long rides. These are the Bikewa men's 3D padded bike shorts, and they are built for comfort, performance, and convenience. My husband is 5'10 and 160 pounds, and he's wearing the size medium. He says they fit snug, but in a good way, because they stay in place and don't ride up while he's biking. And the 3D padding gives just the right amount of cushion, so even on longer rides, he feels comfortable. Now, he rides his bike every day to commute back and forth from work. These bike shorts have worked out great for him. The fabric is breathable, it offers UPF 50+ sun protection, and has just the right amount of stretch for easy movement. Plus, there's pockets. The zipper pocket in the back is a great touch. It's perfect for carrying small essentials like his keys, and the pocket on the leg is great for his phone. If you're looking for cycling shorts that combine comfort, support, and practicality, the Bikewa men's bike shorts are definitely worth it. And that is my point of view.